Gold traded bullish for the day and has already achieved 2034 plus levels. We have recommended earlier in the day to buy at 2032, 2028 and expect 2032 as the first resistance. Likewise with crude oil, it has already seen a move towards $75 levels, precisely achieving 75. We have seen it reversing and retracing. Now what to expect from gold and crude oil with the US session? What is going to be our strategy, how we can profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. I'll be sharing you the simple ways to profit. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the twice a day updates which I share for both gold and crude oil. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. And do like, share and comment, friends. Your every like, comment and share is a great motivation for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. Let's start first to look into gold. And yes, if you have not joined the channel memberships, join the channel memberships to get the additional benefits. Press the join button. Now look at the See, firstly, on the hourly charts, gold has been trading across these medians and it has been just showing the waves here. It has achieved the lower highs level here and achieving the levels. You have seen it retracing. Look at the 3 hourly charts. It is shown almost flat top and since then it is trying to reverse. I will watch out for the zone here at 2028, which is going to be now the support levels. Below 2028 there could be slight bearishness, but only confirmation of bearishness today is below 2024 and then 22 levels. See, let me show you something on the hourly chart. See, first base at 1820, then at 22 and now at 24. 3 strong bases are created and these are higher lows which are seen for gold. Thus, it needs to trade below these levels in order to confirm a reversal and confirm bearishness. It has to first break 2028, which is a greater support, than 24 and then 22 and 18 and 20. Yes, only and only if you see gold trading below 1820 levels, you can say now the prices have turned bearish. If you look at the stochastic, this has reached to the overbought zone. MACD is trading with divergence. It is trading with bullishness here. RSI has also reached the top and trying to look downwards, trying to suggest slight bearishness. Coming to look at the 2 hour chart. See, first of all, retracement, then bullish candles here. And if you look at the bullishness is getting diminished certainly. Now look at the last 2 to 3 candles. You will find, see, it is finding stronger resistance here at around this zone. Thus, we have to wait for it to break beyond 2036. If you see gold trading above 2036, then definitely we can initiate a buying entry. Also, if you look at higher lows are seen, and this makes 2028-2030 zone as a greater support zone for gold for the day. Below 2028, possibly slight bearishness can be seen. Moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. This is sign of bullishness here. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to overbought zone. MACD is trading with divergence. MACD is staying bullish, looking upwards. RSI almost flat here. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour chart, see the rise here. It is consolidated here enough. It has formed a base and now trying to break out. A breakout can be confirmed. First, it has to stay above 2036 and then 40-42. At any point of time, gold trades above 40 and 42. We should be treating this for a breakout, and that is going to bring very strong bullish momentum. Any point of time gold is seen trading above 20-40-42 zones, certainly one has to stay bullish. One can expect a stronger rise above those levels. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. RSI is retraced as well. Coming to 4 hour. Likewise on the 4 hour chart, the drop here, the retracement, it is just consolidating here, waiting for a breakout either which ways. In general, this trend, after consolidation, it should follow this trend, and that is why I say once it trades beyond 20-40-42, we should stay bullish in gold. We can look forward to 20-50 and higher levels as well. Any move beyond 20-60-65 will bring to extreme bullishness here, because that will be the breakout on the daily charts. Right now it is consolidating. Right now it is looking to consolidate a bit. See, if you look at the 4 hour charts here, you will find support, support, support. 2020, 2022, 2024, and these levels are going to remain greater support zone for gold here on the downside. Any drop below 2018, 2020 is where the bears will be waiting for, and possibly below that 2010 levels might be seen. Stochastic rising, it has come to overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI almost flat. Coming to the likewise on the daily charts, one can find the higher lows here, lower highs here, consolidating. And yes, today what it has done, it has formed a good tail and it is trying to rise. How high it can fly? See, first we have to look forward to this zone here and then staying above 40-42. Again, same levels here. only about 2040-42 is where the rise confirmation or bullish confirmation is seen. Also on the daily charts, one must note how gold has traded after the rise. It has traded in this bearish channel. It has to come out of this channel. This makes 2060-65 as a greater resistance on the upside, above which certainly we can look forward to a stronger rally here. Right now it is trading in this flag formation. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. I'll wait for the crossover. This crossover may lead to the bulls here. Right now, similar observation here, double top, and since then it has been trading bearish. RSI is rising as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators, and before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 29th of January. Limited seats are available. Equip yourself with the right tools and strategies which can help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details, as join my signals channel on Telegram, where joining the signals can be beneficial for you as well. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details. Also, you can visit the platform www.forexfunda.com for details or for queries to answers to all your queries. The platform Forex Funda has much more information available. It has live charts, it has economic calendar, and also you can book a call there with me, where you can take a live consultation, and yes, this consultation is completely free if you're part of our webinar series. Visit the platform forexfunda.com or join the free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Now on the daily, we have seen that it has already formed a tail, and it has to break below the lows for the preceding two candles in order to confirm bearishness. Still, if we can profit here by selling, if you sell at 2028, we can look forward to see 2024 should be the ideal selling, which is a safer entry, below which 2022 and 2018-20 very strong supports are seen on the downside. You have to be very careful. As long as it stays above 2018-2020, we should not be treating gold as bullish, gold as bearish. Only below 2018 there could be bearishness. Thus, if you're taking a sell and trade 28, trade with a little caution and keep trailing your stop losses. On the upside, I will recommend a buy here at 2036 levels, and as long as 2040-42 is not taken on the upside, you have to keep trailing your stop losses with every 20 pips. Yes, 20 pips doesn't sound to be a bigger trailing stop loss, but this is how markets are. We have to wait for it to break beyond the critical resistance in order to confirm the breakout. Thus, about 2040-42 you can stay bullish. We will look forward to 2048-50 as the first target, and after that 2060-65 as the next. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude. Now likewise with crude oil, after the rise, it is just forming a nice flag where the bottom is somewhere here at around 73.4 zone, and it has to break above 75.2 zone. Any point of time, if crude oil is seen trading above 75.2, we can initiate a buying position there, and we can expect it to move towards 75.8, 76 levels. Yes, it can in fact break past those levels as well. It is forming a nice flag formation here on the early charts. Stochastic has seen a dip there. MACD is also trading with divergence and bearishness right now, and that is why we can see it retracing sharply. RSI has seen a drop there. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, lower highs are seen, higher lows are seen, just consolidating here. Yes, we can initiate a selling entry at 73.8. If you see oil staying below 73.8, we can expect it to drop further towards 73.5, 73.4, and below 73 is where the bears will be taking over. Else, as long as oil stays above 73, we should not be treating this as bearish. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is dropped as well. On the 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour charts, remember lower highs are seen, and it has formed a big wick on the upside and showed a good pullback. Thus, once it stays below 74, 73.8 zone, we can initiate a selling position, expect it to move little lower towards 73.4, 73 zone, which is going to be a greater support zone. Only below 73 is where the bears will be taking over. Again, same observation, stochastic looking down, MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish, it is looking downwards. RSI is looking downwards as well, suggestive of slight bearishness. Likewise on the 4 hour charts, see the preceding candles, one must not forget, preceding candle has shown a very strong pullback from the lower highs. Thus, it can try to show or continue with the pullback a little low and taking the prices little lower. Be watchful. If you look at the stochastic, this is also looking downwards. MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence, only two candles away. Thus, third candle cannot be denied here. Yes, a bearish candle can be seen here. RSI looking downwards. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, yes, the highs are beautifully aligned here, and it can try to align with the lows as well, which is right now you can see 73 levels should be a great support. And yes, there is a probability that it can try to align towards this zone. Be careful, as long as it stays above 73, 73.5 zone, we can expect it to bounce back strongly. Yes, as long as oil stays above 73, 73.5, we have to be cautious and watchful. Yes, it is trying to drop retracement, higher lows and lower highs. Yes, it is trying to rise but failing to give the breakout here. We have to expect a breakout only if it trades above 75, 75.2 zone. Stochastic flat, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI flat. Considering this, we can initiate a selling position at 73.8 levels, expected to move towards 73.4, 73.5 as the first target, 73, 73.2 as the next. Only below 73, further bearishness can be expected, taking towards 72.6 levels and 72, which is the greater support zone. On the upside, a buying entry can be initiated at 74.6, expecting it to move towards 75, 75.2 zone, which is going to remain a greater resistance zone. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Join the free Telegram channel and visit the platform forexunder.com for any of your queries. Thank you very much. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Thank you.